Mesquite bean harvesting. Wihog. Wihog is known to be a sustainable drylands crop. For centuries, O'odham and native people have had a relationship with this tree. Shachut Ida. What is this? The mesquite is a common tree you see that has a vast range throughout the Tono. There are about 40 types of mesquite trees, but the most common one here in southern Arishon is the velvet mesquite tree. It's used for firewood, food consumption, and medicinal uses. The jodak color means that it's not ready to be harvested for grinding, although in our research, we found that when picking the jodak wihog, people have extracted the liquid from it to create a tea or a juice. The summer heat helps ripen the wihog, getting them nice and dry. During harvesting, you will notice some wihog, usually in two different stages and colors. Ushap is a sap that oozes from the tree that O'odham collect from the gui to enjoy as a candy treat. It was also used as an adhesive for cuts, scrapes, and binding materials. Wihog is ready to be harvested between the months of Hashanbak Mashat and Jukabik Mashat. When picking, you'll see a yellow, reddish to purple color, and when they snap easily, that's when you know they're good to go. Shout out to San Xavier Co-op Farm for having a mesquite harvesting workshop. I learned a lot about what to consider when picking the Kui Wihog. Like being mindful of tiny holes, that means insects got to it first. Also, that there are various types of mesquite trees, and it's best to pick straight from the tree rather than the ones laying on the ground. Those could potentially be contaminated from desert animals. Mesquite pods are a vital food source that has sustained the O'odham and Peepash for hundreds of years. O'odham Action News. Koi Wihog has so much health benefits to it that it's considered a superfood. O'odham relied on it as part of our diets before there were grocery stores. Overall, good food for your health.